Hey folks, Mike here. Got another app for you called Fuelio. It's a good little app for tracking spend at the gas station or petrol station, as we say in the UK. It's quite comprehensive. It's got a load of options, things you can track your mileage log and stats like the amount of fill-ups, the fuel you've used, the amount of litres of fuel, cost to date, cost per mile, average stats, things like that you can see on the screen. We've got another one, charts. So fuel consumption, monthly costs, fuel price, so you can track the price of the fuel as you've been going along the year, the amount of miles, total odometers, so it'll go up there like that, and cost per mile, but we need more data in there. So let's go and add some data first. So we go to the home page. You can see I've got my car. It shows the last fuel price. That's I made that up, so unfortunately it's not that cheap. And it shows some of the costs just at a glance. We've got a calculator, so you can work up miles per gallon straight away, just so you can just come up with some quick calculations. If I go to down there, you've got your vehicles, so you can add your vehicle first of all. I've already added one, so you can do the units that you want, what it runs on. You can put a couple of different things in, like some insurance and your registration plate, things like that. A couple of different bits of information you can add. So I'm going to go ahead and add some fuel. So if I click on fuel, so it already knows how many miles I've done before. You put the miles you're on now in the car, amount of litres of fuel you've put on, so 20 litres, cost 25 quid, works out the amount per litre, and the date. The best way to do it is sort of let the tank run down a bit and add and fill it up full. So the app will work best to calculate it from brim to brim, as they call it. So it's the best calculation it can achieve. I press on the tick. You see now we've got some fill up, and now because the app thinks I've done a couple of different fill-ups now, it's doing my average miles per gallon, so I can go back into my charts and I can see a bit of information. So I've got fuel consumption, see it's got the line there on 45.5, monthly costs, fuel price, hasn't changed much, fill-up costs, you'll get more data as it goes along, but you can see it's coming up with some good information there to help maybe the business user to track their mileage and the amount they're spending. So nice quick demo for you. Let me know if you've got any questions. Cheers.